My name is Jennifer Lang, and I'm an assistant professor in choral music education here at the University of Saskatchewan. I'm honored today to speak about a great initiative in the Department of Music that has been an important one for our incoming students, or our future Huskies in the U of S PAC. This initiative is our Department Open House. In the past, on any given day, you would find the Department of Music hallways, practice rooms, performance venues filled with talking and laughing and singing and instrumental sounds. It is this energy that we want potential students at the U of S in the music department to see and long to be a part of. Our past open house experiences have involved our current faculty and students inviting incoming students into their lessons, classes, rehearsals, master classes, information sessions, student panels, student-led tours of our beautiful campus, and special invitations to our collaborative concert called Play It Forward and the Saskatoon Symphony Orchestra concert. During Term 1, our hallways were mostly empty, classes were remote on WebEx, ensembles were muted on Zoom, and yet we still wanted incoming students to get a sense of the atmosphere and opportunities when they study here. Clearly, we were not able to open the doors of the department to potential students, so we had to find a way to bring this magic to them. We decided to create a virtual open house, and we're thrilled to connect with 35 students, ranging from Delisle, Prince Albert, Saskatoon, Humboldt, Kindersley, North Battleford, Rostern, Marengo, and even Winnipeg, Manitoba. Our open house was on a Sunday in December from 1 to 4 p.m., and students were encouraged to drop in for the sessions that they wanted. What surprised and delighted the faculty was that all of them stayed throughout all of the scheduled events. We offered sessions on post-secondary music involvement after high school, ensemble information, what you can do at university as a music major, preparing your Department of Music audition application, preparing for the theory placement, a masterclass with their future instructors, scholarship possibilities and processes, and a student session where our student leaders spoke about their experiences and answered questions of the incoming class. Each session contained video and music examples that featured our students and faculty so that incoming students felt welcomed, prepared, and supported right from the very beginning of their studies here at the U of S.
Hey everyone, my name is Cameron Breiter, and I'm the newly elected president of the 2020 to 2021 USMA's executive. Firstly, welcome to the department.
Next term, we plan on hosting a virtual professional development day. This event will include various topics, including leadership, teaching in the modern day classroom, and much more.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We are more than happy to help and want to make your music education experience as easy, as smooth, and as fun as possible.
Hi there, my name is Anna Kasuku. I wanted to take some time to talk to you about my experience as a student here in the department. What I am most grateful for is being given two things: opportunity and a second family. Although we are online this year, we can still connect with our friends and colleagues, still make music, whether it be solo or collaborating online, and achieve our goals. So that's a little taste for the music department for you. And my experience here as a student has been the best.
Now when we are meeting with these incoming students at their auditions, many of them comment on how personal and welcoming that open house experience was for them. For those who were unable to join us synchronously for our open house, we have embedded these videos on our website so that future students can do a self-guided virtual open house tour. This way, students will always be able to visit us and gain insight into the opportunities at the University of Saskatchewan's Department of Music, where they learn that they can come here and go anywhere.